Hey, Phil here. I'm launching a new website, and I thought this was a good opportunity for me to walk through Google Analytics 4 implementation on Webflow. So let's get started. I'm in my new Google Analytics 4 property. I'm going to be tracking on the web. You're going to put your site here. I have no problem sharing this because it's my site. That's the benefit of having your own sites on a YouTube channel. Awesome. So here we are. And you're going to go to the global site. You're going to copy here. Then you're going to go to Webflow. And you're going to drop that right here. Don't forget to publish on Webflow. So you're going to go there. And boom, when you're ready, you hit publish. I've got people still working here, but that's the story. You hit save changes, publish. Actually, we're going to publish too. I've got a very excited dog. He wants to learn more about Webflow. All right, so when we go to Bosslytics, we should see one Google tag, which I do see, and that's our G tag. Reports. Hey, so at the end of it all, you should see yourself inside the real-time tracking. Make sure you do that before you consider this dusted, but that's how to do GA4 in a nutshell on Webflow. Quite easy, and I really like GA4. Now, in coming chapters, I'll talk about conversion tracking and all that stuff, but this is to get you started on a fresh data slate as far as GA4 traffic, because unfortunately that universal analytics traffic data does not migrate. So I hope that's helpful for you. If you think this GA stuff is cool, let me know in the comments section. I think there's a lot of buzz around this stuff, and I'm happy to write more of this type of content in the future. Thank you so much for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.